Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's quick video, I'll show you step-by-step process on how to delete or terminate your Google account or Gmail account. First of all, to do that, you need to be logged into your Google account or Gmail account. So here I'm already logged in. After you log in, you'll see this kind of page, and here you have to click on the round badge on the top right corner of the screen. So click on that and you'll see this pop-up screen, and in this screen you have to go to manage your Google account. So click on it and you'll be taken to a new page where you can find all the setting options for your Google account. Now to delete your Google account, you have to go to data and personalization, which is the third option on the left side of the screen. Click on that and you'll see tons of options under data and personalization. So scroll down on this page until you see download, delete, or make a plan for your data. Under this option, you have to go to delete a service or your account. So click on that. Now Google is giving you options to delete a Google service, delete your Google account, download your data, or make a plan for your account. So here you have to go to delete your Google account. So on the bottom of that, you can see delete your account option. So click on that. Now you need to enter the password of the account that you want to delete. So enter the password and click on next. Now Google is showing all the different things that will happen when you delete your Google account. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see these two options. Yes, I acknowledge I'm responsible, and yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all of its data. So you have to check these two boxes here and click on delete account. Now your Google account or Gmail account is deleted. This is all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.